Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make taco rolls. First, understand that taco rolls are a fantastic, easy-to-eat meal, perfect for any gathering. They combine all the great flavors of a taco into a neat, rollable package. We'll cover everything from preparing your savory filling to achieving that perfect golden crisp. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this fun and flavorful dish. Now, let's get to the heart of your taco rolls, the filling. Start by browning about 1 pound of ground meat, like beef or turkey, with your favorite taco seasoning. Make sure to drain any excess fat thoroughly. While that cools slightly, prepare your fresh ingredients. Shred some crisp lettuce, dice a few ripe tomatoes, and have about 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese ready. These components will create a balanced and flavorful center for your rolls. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, after all that delicious taco roll cooking, your kitchen might smell amazing, but what about your car? Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice. It's a game changer. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With your filling ready, it's time to assemble and cook these delicious rolls. First, warm your tortillas briefly. This makes them much easier to roll without cracking. Lay out a tortilla, spread a thin layer of your seasoned meat, sprinkle with cheese, and add a few of your desired toppings. Roll each tortilla tightly from one end to the other. Place them seam-side down on a baking sheet and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes, or until golden.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.